Super excited because we ordered these giant balls online and they're quite expensive, but they're going to be glorious in the garden. Oh, it's so big! It kind of looks like a giant planet, but it's gonna look so good in the garden. I ended up getting 3 of these concrete spheres. They're actually styrofoam with a concrete slurry on the outside, so they're pretty lightweight. I used my foot to dig out an area, rolled it into place, and then I packed in a little dirt around it so they don't roll out of place. But I really like having the 3 of them at different scales. They look really cool. It was an investment of about $800 to $1,000. I used some ornamental grasses to kind of bring them back into the landscape so they weren't just sitting on top of the soil, and just tie it in with the rest of the space. I really think they elevate the yard, and of course adding some night lighting really helps make them pop. From the premier editing studios of Sarita Landscapes, I'm Sara Bendrick. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys, really. But if you are gonna put balls in the garden, I really suggest 3. 2 is just not enough, and 1 is just lonely. Have a great day.